Crystals are nature's masterpieces, showcasing stunning geometric growth structures. At the molecular level, atoms arrange themselves in precise patterns, creating everything from the dazzling symmetry of quartz to the intricate formations of snowflakes. This arrangement isn't random. It's dictated by the chemical bonds and environmental conditions. For instance, in a cooling magma chamber, minerals crystallize slowly, forming large, beautiful structures. Meanwhile, rapid evaporation can lead to tiny, delicate crystals. Each pattern tells a story of its formation, revealing the secrets of our planet's chemistry and the artistry of nature. Isn't it fascinating how something so simple can create such complexity?